that is, 'cause I don't ever have it.
You got one of those.
Air conditioners. Got a belt. It only looked like it was in the ocean for a little while. Oh, we're golden.
You wouldn't do a TikTok dance, but you'll do that.
Hold on. Let me get this for the...
There it is. Get it right there. Showcase the merch. Also,
It's dirty.
dirty merch.
I wear it because I love it. I wear it because I love it. When boss all hands me a tea.
Hey, you can't play this music. You can't play this music.
It's alright.
Yeah, I've already got enough copyright strikes. They're gonna shut me down. You better,
They're gonna
you
shut
better
me
pause
down.
that shit. Better pause it.
Put the video to mute.
This song's terrible anyways.
Yeah, turn this off. What are we doing?
Right there, hit pause.
There doesn't even be music for this. So bad for music.
No, I want to hear the talking.
I mean, it's pretty good.
Oh yeah.
Talking of what?
We're gonna hear you talking and saying pow.
Pow!
Where's the booty pops? I missed it.
Put them away.
Hold on.
You shelved them for a minute.
Put them away. Huh?
Oh. Oh. You okay?
Pow!
Jesus.
Yep.
Do you think PBR would sponsor us if we showed the limited edition artistic can?
You really can only hope.
Not autistic, but artistic.
If they sent us $50 for the whole year, that's one tire.
They just send us some
That's
PBR.
2 cases of PBR.
Yeah, it is. They should just supply PBR.
Award-winning blue ribbon.
We don't need tires or gasoline or entry fees. We need beer.
You have to turn on the side button first, so the thing turns on, and then you click your button.
Oh no, we're going.
Oh.
I'm just learning.
I'm new.
This is a house of learned doctors.
Mm-hmm.
Help, I'm new.
We're in our residency of learning. Can you see yourself? Yeah. I was gonna say, why are you looking right at it?
Why are you looking right at it? Jenny once told me that she would never, ever shotgun a beer on a Friday night.
I said that.
I don't believe that happened.
Yeah, she told me that.
I don't believe that.
Guess she's gonna have to prove me wrong.
Saw where that was headed.
Well, okay, let me go get one. I just leave them in the closet.
Oh, you gotta
Ooh.
tip this end up.
Not video.
There you go.
Oh, it's on.
Oh, I should have known. Corky.
Why was that one lidded?
What?
Why was that one like
Fully lidded.
fully lidded? I'm never good at this. I always lose. I always lose. I can't.
Just like give you a break, man.
Yeah. Do it slow for once.
Slow your shit down. Yeah, 19.
Quality BMW.
Yeah. Oh wait. Just get it. Okay, I'm ready.
Right? Yeah.
Oh. Hold on. I'm ready.
Cheers.
That's a no. Hold on. Wait. Time out. Wait for me.
You got a
Three?
bowl?
And you're on 3 of 3 on hit power.
Cranked up. That's
You
unfortunate.
got a thicker, more of a impacty socket. Sometimes that works.
My girl likes Wild Boys, so I keep the chrome.
I live my life a quarter mile at a time.
Keep the chromes on the
sockets.
impact. Oh, hello.
I like what?
Like them a bit. Bad Boys.
Squish my cigarette. I smoke that soon. Put all your weight down on that. I mean, you could have just grabbed it.
No, that's all my way.
Alright, yes.
Don't bounce.
Yes.
Don't bounce.
Hit it.
guess that's
we
it
went
for our
flying.
Friday night teardown. Engine number 2 torn down.
Wee woo. Beep bop.
Stay tuned.
Deep 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 deep.
I don't know why, but stay tuned for whatever happens next.